Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Now let us look at this beautiful, interesting question. And it's true that a circular compact disc of diameter 12 centimeter and a height of 2 millimeter. If Kerry stacks 10 compact discs on top of each other, what is the volume of the stack? Now, first of all we just need to do first is to identify a compact disc. Now, a compact disc is just of this form. Now, don't mind my drawing. So let's assume this is the height. Now, with center. All right. So this is a compact disc, and we from the question from here to here is 2 millimeter, and the diameter, that is from here down to here, is 12 centimeter. Okay, all right. Now the first thing first is to recognize this unit. Here you have millimeter, and here you have centimeter. All right, so let us convert this to centimeter, and we know that 10 millimeter equals 1 centimeter. Now, if 10 millimeter equals 1 centimeter, then 2 millimeter will definitely be 2 all over 10, giving us 0.2 centimeter. Okay, so here is our height. Now, we are told that if Kerry stacks 10 compact discs, which means if you have this compact disc stacked to each other 10, you will end up forming something like a cylinder, just like this. Okay, so we assume these are the stacked just till 10. So this is just a random drawing. Okay, so it implies that for each of the height, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let me assume this is another one. So this is making it 10. So we assume that from here to here is 0.2 centimeter. So what then is the total height? It means 0.2 centimeter times 0.2 times 10 of the compact disc, giving us a total height of 2 centimeter. Okay, and we know that the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. That's the volume of a cylinder. Okay, so for us to calculate the volume of the stack, which is the volume of the cylinder, will then be that V equals, we'll be leaving our answer in terms of pi. Okay, then pi, then times our radius. Here we have 12, which is the diameter. So the radius will be 12 divided by 2, which is half of 12. That will be 6 raised to 2. Then times the height. And we know that the height here is 2 centimeter. So here we have it. Then V, which is the volume, will then be pi times 6 raised to 2 is 36 times 2. So the volume of the stack becomes 72 pi centimeter cube. Final answer. Please don't fail to share this video with other learners. Bye bye.